My name is Tod Langley. I'm the co-founder and CEO for Crisis Response Leader Training Incorporated. I've been with the Active Shooter Prevention Project since about 2022. Before that, I had 30 years of Army, Special Operations, Senior Advisor, and then in the intelligence community as an operator. What I think is really interesting about Brecourt is the ability to integrate some of your sensor capabilities and the technology that you're using for that, the data that's already been collected, how can that help other partners for disarming active shooters?
51% of mass shootings happen at businesses, including retail. On average, it takes 8 minutes for first responders to arrive on scene. With Brecourt Solutions indoor drone as a first responder, we won't wait. We are first responders on the scene, tracking and distracting the threat so that innocent bystanders can get away. Our drones send real-time video feed and location data to first responders and security teams. Brecourt detects, tracks, and malfunctions weapons. Handguns, rifles, and shotguns are the weapons used most in active shooting events. Brecourt's drones can malfunction these weapons, buying time, saving lives. Seconds matter. We won't wait.